Ever wondered why your homemade juices never taste as fresh and vibrant as the ones from your favorite juice bar? Tropical drink emoji. Today, we're diving into the top 7 blenders for juicing that will transform your mornings. Stick around, you'll discover the perfect blender for effortless, nutrient-packed drinks. And hey, if you find your favorite, check out the links in the description to grab it easily. At number 7 is MAGETANG Countertop Blender. Did you know most home blenders struggle with ice or frozen fruit, leaving your smoothies gritty? That's where the MAGETANG Countertop Blender truly shines. With a 1800-watt motor spinning at 28,000 revolutions per minute and a 6-blade system, it crushes ice, nuts, and frozen fruit into silky smooth perfection, something I've rarely seen outside professional kitchens. Compared to other blenders in our top 7 picks, it handles large batches effortlessly with its 70-ounce pitcher, yet also offers a convenient 20-ounce travel cup for smoothies on the go. The variable speeds, pulse, and timer give total control over texture, whether creamy baby food or chunky salsa. Cleanup is stress-free, thanks to dishwasher-safe parts and a self-clean cycle. Stylish, stable, and durable, MAGETANG makes blending feel effortless. For families or busy smoothie lovers, this is a smart, reliable choice you won't regret. Curious how it stacks up against the next blender? Let's see. On number 6 is COKUNST Portable Blender. Ever struggled to enjoy a fresh smoothie while rushing to work or hitting the gym? That's exactly the problem the COKUNST Portable Blender solves. Compact yet powerful, it spins up to 22,000 revolutions per minute with 6 stainless steel blades, effortlessly turning fruits and veggies into silky smooth drinks, even on the go. Unlike larger countertop models in our top 7 list, this blender fits in a backpack or office drawer, making single-serve juices and protein shakes incredibly convenient. The safety lock system and battery protection mechanism give peace of mind, no accidental spills, no motor jams. Plus, one-touch operation and easy cleaning make daily use stress-free. Sure, it can't handle massive batches like some of the larger blenders, but for busy lifestyles, this is a smart, reliable choice. Curious how it compares with the next powerhouse on our list? Let's keep going. At number 5 is Ninja Smoothie Blender. Think all blenders are created equal? Think again. The Ninja Smoothie Blender packs a 1,500-watt motor that crushes ice and frozen fruit like a pro, something many home blenders in our top 7 list can't handle without leaving chunks. Its XL 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for families or entertaining, while the included Ninja cups let you take fresh smoothies on the go. Total crushing blades, pro extractor blades, even a dough blade, this blender handles everything from creamy shakes to precise chopping. Compared to compact models, it's bulkier but unbeatable for versatility and consistent texture. Cleanup is easy with dishwasher-safe, BPA-free parts, giving you peace of mind. Sure, it's not as portable as the mini blenders, but for anyone serious about juicing and meal prep, this is a powerhouse worth every penny. Curious how it stacks up against the next blender? Stay tuned. At number 4 is Vitamix Professional Grade Blender. Did you know most home blenders leave your smoothies chunky, even with frozen fruit? That's where the Vitamix Professional Grade Blender changes the game. Its 2.2 horsepower motor powers through fibers produce nuts and ice effortlessly, creating silky smooth textures every time, a level of consistency that many other blenders on our top 7 list can't match. The 64-ounce low-profile container fits under cabinets yet handles large batches, perfect for families or meal prep. 4 automatic blending programs plus 10 speed settings give complete control, while the self-cleaning function makes cleanup almost effortless. Compared to compact models like the portable blenders, it's less travel-friendly but unbeatable for serious juicing and kitchen versatility. With stainless steel blades and a 7-year warranty, it's a smart, reliable investment. Curious how it stacks up against the final blender on our list? Stay tuned. On number 3 is NutriBullet Full-Size Blender. What if I told you your morning smoothie is only as powerful as the motor behind it? Let's talk about the NutriBullet Full-Size Blender, a serious contender in the world of high-performance juicing machines. Power and performance, where it earns respect. With 1,200 watts, this thing crushes frozen fruit, leafy greens, even nut butter without begging for mercy. 3 speeds, pulse, and an extract program give you control most home juicers lack. Compared to entry models, it feels closer to a prosumer beast like the Vitamix category, but at a friendlier price. Impressive, right? Wait till you hear about versatility. Versatility? Pitcher or personal cup? Both. Big 64-ounce batch for family. Single serve cup for busy mornings. That flexibility solves the classic "do I need two blenders?" dilemma. Fewer appliances. Less clutter. Peace of mind. The downsides? It's loud. And not as premium built as ultra-luxury competitors. Still, after real kitchen testing, this is a smart buy for smoothie lovers and juice-focused homes. If you want raw power without overspending, it's a confident yes. Casual users? You might not need this much muscle. At number 2 is YPONE Masticating Juicer. What if your juicer is destroying the very nutrients you're trying to drink? Let's fix that. First, real cold press performance. The YPONE Masticating Juicer runs at 55 revolutions per minute. Slow. Controlled. Powerful. That means less heat, less oxidation, and more living juice. If you've been comparing centrifugal models in those popular blender for juicing rankings, this is a different league. Curious how it changes taste? It's smoother, cleaner, noticeably fresher. Now the game changer, 5.8-inch feed chute. Whole apples. Big carrots. Drop them in. No endless chopping. That's relief right there. Plus, the smart safety lock adds peace of mind for families. Thinking about daily use? Wait. Dual strainers. 99% yield. Less pulp. Almost zero clogging. Compared to fast high-speed blenders, you get higher juice extraction and quieter mornings. The trade-off? It's slower than a high-speed smoothie machine. After hands-on testing in real kitchens, this is a smart investment for serious juice lovers. If you want convenience and nutrition retention, go for it. If you just want quick smoothies, look elsewhere. Now moving to the last one is Hamilton Beach Wave Action Blender. Most people think you need a $500 machine for smooth juice. Not true. Let's talk about the Hamilton Beach Wave Action Blender, the budget contender that surprises everyone. First, performance. 700 watts of peak power. Stainless ice saber blades. And that patented wave action system keeps ingredients circulating instead of floating on top. No more chunky spinach hiding at the bottom. If you've struggled choosing between high-end smoothie makers in those popular juicing blender rankings, this one solves a big problem: affordability. But does it compete? Keep watching. Texture and daily use. It handles protein shakes, frozen fruit, and basic green blends well. Not as silky as premium high-speed models, but solid for everyday smoothies. The 40-ounce glass jar feels stable. Dishwasher-safe parts? That's real-life convenience. Downsides? Not ideal for hardcore nut butters or heavy-duty juicing. After hands-on kitchen trials, this is a smart buy for beginners or budget-conscious families. Serious juice enthusiasts may want more power. But for reliable daily blending? Confident yes. After testing all three, the NutriBullet full-size blender wins for most people looking to juice, blend, and do it all. Its powerful 1,200-watt motor, versatile pitcher plus single-serve cups, and smooth extraction put it above basic budget blenders like the Hamilton Beach and slow juicers like the YPONE. You get great texture, high yield, and real everyday convenience without needing multiple machines. If you want one reliable machine that handles smoothies, juices, soups, and more, this is the smart choice. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best blender for juicing. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.